Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7, and if your rear window wiper does not work guys, we'll show you how to fix that. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful or if you want to see any specific video. So let's go ahead and start on the problem now. So let me show you now quick now. Let me turn the light on. So I'll turn the ignition on, rear wiper on, and if I come outside, what is happening? Wiper is not working guys at all, like nothing. So how we're going to fix that? I'll show you guys where to find the fuse for that rear wiper. We're going to go ahead, turn the ignition off, and now next to the steering wheel, okay, on the left side you have one fuse box. We're going to pull that fuse cover, and the second fuse on the bottom row from right to left, okay, 1, 2, okay, this fuse right here, it's for your rear window wiper. We're going to go ahead, grab it. Now if you guys want to see where we get our replacement fuses, okay, that whole kit guys, it's unbelievable price, check it out, it will be listed in the description of the video below. I'll get a new fuse already prepared here, push it in. Okay, I'm going to install our cover because I'm pretty sure that will take care of the problem. Okay, and let's see now if the wiper will be working. So I'll put the key in, wiper is on. Check it out guys. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching. Please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.